The other day, I saw this guy on Twitter flexing his Clickbank numbers, and he was making 100K a day. I saw that and I'm like, no freaking way. Like, mashallah. So I decided to try Clickbank for the first time, and I've never done Clickbank in my life before. So I've never really gotten a sale on Clickbank. But today, I'm gonna be trying it and seeing if I get some sales with whatever experience I have. Now, as you know, usually I do dropshipping videos, and I like keeping things super duper honest. So this video is no different. I'm gonna be literally showing you every single thing I did. Also, I watched a few videos on YouTube of people making affiliate marketing videos, and bro, like, no hate honestly, but all of them were mostly looking like they're scammers. And it's funny because I tweeted that, and someone on Twitter, he was like, yeah, because they're all trying to promote their affiliate offers, so obviously they're gonna sound scammy. So if you look in the description right now, there are 0 links. So don't worry, Habibi, I'm not trying to sell you anything here. So anyway, in Clickbank, you're basically promoting other people's offers, and most of the time it's a digital product, and sometimes it's a supplement. So I had to pick, 1, what offer am I going to be promoting, and then 2, what platform am I going to be promoting on. So I head over to Clickbank and I searched up all the offers around. So people say sort them by gravity, because gravity basically shows you what are the offers that other affiliates are getting the most sales on right now. So as I was looking around, I did what I usually do and what I usually always teach, which is to find someone who's already selling something that you want to sell and seeing exactly how they're doing it. So basically copying them, but not like copy paste. Like I would also try to make like some changes here and there just to make whatever they did even better. So I picked this relationship offer. It's called Be Irresistible. I'm pretty sure if you're in Clickbank, you've obviously heard of it. And by the way, like I really like the copywriting on this offer. Like they've done a really good job, which is no surprise because they're getting a lot of sales. So I'm like, this should sell very well, especially because it's Valentine's right now. So it's going to sell very good. So anyways, I found someone on TikTok actually running TikTok organic for this exact offer. And then what I did is basically watch all their videos. And then I clicked on their link to see how they're promoting the Clickbank offer. And then I saw what are their most performing videos. Also, one thing that made me think that these guys are actually getting good sales is 1, they're posting a lot of videos. And then 2, their videos are pretty recent. So I'm just thinking, well, if that was me and I'm running this offer and I'm running TikTok organic, I'm only going to be posting a bunch of videos and videos that are recent every single day if I'm getting sales. If I'm not getting sales, I'm not going to be doing that. So this means like these people right here are actually making money right now. And what's funny is that their best performing videos were actually pinned to the top. So I'm like, damn boy, they just did all the hard work for me. Now look, don't start hating, but like, yeah, I did steal their video. I mean, bro, I thought Mr. Picasso was like a great artist. They steal, so I did exactly that. But like I swear, like I'll give it back. So anyway, this was the ad that I chose, and I decided to choose Pinterest to advertise this video on. But now obviously we can't just go on Pinterest and post an ad and then put our affiliate link in the ad, because that would just result in like an immediate ban. So usually people make a bridge page. So a bridge page is something you put in between the ad and the affiliate offer. And the whole purpose of the bridge page is to sell people on watching the video. So I'm like, okay, Habibi, I'm pretty busy right now with the dropshipping stores, so I don't want to do a bunch of work on the bridge page. So I went to this site called Milkshake, and I basically made a quick page, and I had to make ads to get paid. I'm actually rhyming. So Milkshake is kind of like the Linktree site, but I picked milkshake.com because I'm like, well, I'm running a relationship offer, and like, what better way to bring all the boys to the yard? So I made a page like this, and I got that female's face from Pexels, so it's actually free and legal. And then I started running ads. Now for the ads, I only targeted women, and I picked all the English-speaking countries. And I had 3 campaigns. Now the only difference between these 3 campaigns was this. So the first campaign had no interest. The second campaign had all the relevant interest, and the third campaign had no interest, but it was only targeting desktop. And that's it. Everything else is literally the same. So anyway, I published the campaigns, and so I just waited after that. Now the first day I spent $10, and sadly I got back $0. And that's because I only had 1 campaign running, because apparently I forgot to post the other 2 campaigns. So I'm like, oh boy, I don't even know why I forgot to post the other campaigns. But I went ahead now and I posted the other ones, and this time I waited 1 more time. And here's when I had this very nice moment that I think I'll remember forever. I actually got my first Clickbank sale. So this was so random, to be honest, because the whole day I actually forgot that I even published the ads. But for some reason the other day I'm like, let me check if something actually happened with the ads. And then I see I got a sale. So it was from 1 person, and they bought $164 worth of products. And I'm like, damn, it actually felt like when I got my first Shopify sale. So it felt really good, bro. So I was like, wait, what do I have to do now? I don't need to fulfill anything. I don't need to do anything. I just have to continue doing the ads, and that's it. But I do have to hope that the owner of the offer would not give the people a refund. So as a result, I'd get my money refunded to the customer. And that's basically it. But overall, I spent $40, and then I got back $164. So in profit, I was already at $124 already. So this made me super happy, bro. But here's the sad news. So the next day, I kept my ads running, and then I went to go check on my Clickbank dashboard, and I'm like, what? No freaking way. I actually got 0 sales again. I'm like, oh man, that's okay though. So I kept the ads running again. So I spent another $30. And then I go and check the dashboard once again. And then sadly, I got 0 sales once again. So I'm thinking like, yikes, bro. Like, what do I have to do now? I also didn't have my Pinterest pixel or tag installed in Clickbank. So the 3 campaigns, when they were running, I didn't know exactly which one of them actually got the sale. So after a week, I kept getting hops and I kept getting checkout impressions. But sadly, I still got 0 sales once again. So I'm like, oh man, that's probably the end of my Clickbank career. I didn't even start. But I was just thinking like, damn, like this was actually pretty possible. I'm like, if this actually works and I get the same numbers as I get in dropshipping, like I'm basically going to be profitable, but with way less the work. Like there's no fulfillment and there's no customer support. So this idea was super attractive to me. Like all I got to do is just focus on getting the sales and running the ads and making the bridge page better, and that's it. But anyway, if you'd like to get my Sigma Clickbank scaling course, it is priced at $19.99, $420 plus $69 customer package fee. So if you'd like that, then just click the link